Hey guys, I'm Phil Gertis with Phil and Victoria Gertis of Long and Foster Real Estate, Christie's International, and I'm at 1707 Dixon Drive here in Glen Burnie, Maryland. This is a beautiful 4-bedroom, 3.5 bath, single family home, even with a fully finished basement and theater room. It's incredible. Come inside, check it out. Let's see what we've got. You've seen it, 1707 Dixon Drive here in Glen Burnie, Maryland. A beautiful oasis of a house. Come check it out yourself. We'll see you soon. This house is a gem. It won't last long. Bye.